This is our 5-panel golf cart rear view mirror. We mounted this directly to the ceiling mounts. Loosened, took out one bolt here, was able to run that bolt directly through here. We made a piece to make it work. Therefore, we have it directly up on the ceiling. I love the fact that it is a 5-panel. It allows me to see what's coming on my far left as well as my far right over here. It's nice and adjustable. The knobs on the side here, you can tighten and loosen once you determine where you want to have your mirror. Once you have it set, you lock it in and you leave it and you are good to go. Occasionally, depending on your location, if you're doing a lot of bumps and off-roading, it will bounce itself a little loose, but a little Loctite or a lock washer could help solve that problem, or just tighten it every now and then. I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you enjoy your mirror.